How's it going, everybody? Big John from Big John Tech Reviews. Today we're going to take a look at a couple cases I got from my Huawei Mate 10 Pro cell phone. This is a great device right here. This is the one that I have purchased a while back. So let's check it out. So these cases are not going to be the type of case if you're prone to maybe accidentally dropping your phone, stuff like that. This is more decorative case, and I got a couple of these. So we're going to open the box here. Once again, this is from a company called Anccer. They're really thin cases. So let's check it out. First off, comes a little Anccer branding on the back for the label that you can attach to your back of your phone there for to maybe hold it with your finger. You know, you put it on like this, and so that's a little nice gesture there. Throw that in. All right, I'm going to pull the case out here. This is where I purchased it. I got it off of Amazon. Thank you card from Amazon. Very nice gesture there. Put the box off to the side here. All right, so this one here is like a emerald green that I got. So I wanted to check this out. Man, this has got a nice feel to it. Sort of a, I don't know, sandpaper-ish type feel, but man, it looks nice. The color is fantastic on this. It's a emerald green. They're cutouts for the back. You got your cameras, your sensors, your fingerprint sensor. All right, so let's go ahead and just pop it on the phone here. Put it in the bottom. Lock it in the top. There we go. All right, man, this feels nice. Nice, good grip on the side for it. Let's check out the power buttons on the side here. There's your volume rocker buttons. There's your power button. Down here on the bottom, you got your speaker grill, USB Type-C, your microphone. On top here, you got your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack and another noise canceling microphone. So, all right, let's check it out here. Let's open up the power screen here. The buttons feel good, very responsive to it. Check out the volume rockers. Oh yeah, very clicky, very clicky. Nice. So that's the first one here. It's like I said, it's emerald green. So I like this color. I really like the way it feels. All right, so let's check out this next one here. Let's go ahead and pop this off. Easier to pull it out from the bottom here, folks. All right, set that off to the side. All right, here's the next one. This one's from Anccer as well. Open it up. All right, this one was a red one that I ordered. And once again, it comes with the little thimble to stick on the back if you like, for your cell phone to be able to attach it and hold it as you're doing selfies or whatever, and maybe not dropping it, since these are thin ultra cases here, ultra thin cases. So put that off to the side. Once again, purchased it from Amazon. Thank you from Amazon. You're welcome, Amazon. Thank you. Set that off to the side. All right, let's go ahead and open up this case package in here. I'm going to pull it out. Like I said, folks, these are not well protective phone cases. Very thin. It's more of a cosmetic for your phone. This one's nice. It's red. Has all the proper cutouts for it. Let's go ahead and pop it on the phone here. Pop in the bottom first. Top. Lock in. Good job. All right. Power button. Very quick. Nice touch on it. Let's open it up. Let's check out the fingerprint sensor. All right. Fingerprint sensor. Working good. Quick. All right. Check out the volume rockers. Here we go. All right. Very clicky. Nice click on them. Don't have to push all that hard to get them to work. So these are from Anccer. Once again, I just wanted to bring this to y'all. Let you take a couple little thin ultra cases I got from them. I'd like to thank everybody for popping in, checking out my video here. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you want to leave a comment, I'd love to see comments in below. Just, write them down below. Hit that thumbs up button for me. I really would appreciate it, guys. And once again, this is Big John from Big John Tech Reviews, and I'll catch you on the flip side.